What's going on, guys, and welcome back to this channel. I am talking to you today about some of the rarest play-to-earn games that you can get NFTs from. All right, let's get straight into it. After this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. I do it because I love doing it and I want to help you make some money. So let's get straight in. So guys, first we have Calvaria. All right, all the links are going to be down below. This is an incredible game, as you can see already from here. The pre-sale is actually live right now. Their token is SRIA. This is a P2E battle card game set beyond the veil of death. Duel, earn, and upgrade your cards to become the ultimate force on the battlefield. All right, it's super, super cool. This is what it looks like. I'm going to play this video so you can get a little bit more of an inspiration. This year. I want to be the dragon on this. So you get the cards, guys. They've got different rarities, different conditions.
Fight, win.
Place them down, fight, win, lose, whatever you've got. You can actually earn money doing this. It's incredible.
In the great war over the fate in the afterlife.
You can stake. They've got put mode, monthly tournaments, everything we need to be making money on here, guys.
Join the Calvaria army at Calvaria.
Awesome. So that's number one. Is getting big hype. Know that, Calvaria. The links are down below. Let's move on to number two. Number two gives me a sort of Fortnite feel. All right. This is actually Silks. All right. Silks.io. Links down below. So what this is avatars, a collection of 10,000 unique digital identities that convey valuable rights and utility to their holders. Owning a Silks avatar is required to earn rewards playing games of skill. This is what they look like. I like the one with the crown. I actually like this chain that's gone. I really want to get in there, right? So the benefits and utility of owning this. Its distinct combination of colors, patterns, creates a one-of-a-kind crest, all right? Represents you and your dynasty, allows you to collect racing rewards and gamer skills, provides you with a lifetime mint pass, and much, much more. You get skills of the yearling stage. So you can see here as a jockey, you have your horse with your same clan on. It's incredible, guys. All right, if you want to get one of the avatars, you can go in here. I want 4 of them for 1 ETH and buy it right now. You can even buy it with a card. This is why it's picking up traction. Once you get in, you can actually start earning money from staking, everything like that, all right? Earn rewards playing this game. That's number two. Let's move on to number three. Number three is one I'm super excited about because I've spoke about this so many times, all right? It's Tamadodge. It's incredible. The rare NFTs, look at the floor price. And guys, remember what kind of market we're in. We're in a bear market where ETH is plummeting to the floor. And we're at 0.479 ETH floor. That's incredible for a Tamadodge. Going all the way up. And look, it's not far off being 0.5. It's only 2 NFTs off being 0.5 floor. So it's picking up traction. They're super cool, all right? You've got these little Tamadodge. They remind me of my Tamagotchi when I was a kid that I could never look after, all right? And you've got to look after them. You can actually earn money staking these NFTs, using them to field, using them to yield, all right? They're incredible. So if you do have the money, and that's only if you've got the money, invest clever. Remember the disclaimer and always do your research. This could seriously make you some real dollar by using it and the in-game features, all right? So it's Tamadodge, guys. That's number three. That's what I'm super excited about. Let's jump to the summary. So let me know in the comments which one you like more. My favorite out there, of course, is Tamadodge. I'm getting super excited about that because I actually speak about it online quite a lot. So get involved. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you on the next video.